Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to cancel Ancestry membership. First of all, on desktop or /web. First of all, you can go to the browser, any browser. I will use Google Chrome right now and type here ancestry.com. After that, click the link and log into the account. Then, after you have logged into your account, click your profile in the top right corner. You can use the application, but in the application you don't have that features, so go to your web or desktop, then select account setting on your profile. Here go to your account settings. After that, under membership, find your subscription details and click cancel membership. Follow the prompts. Ancestry may ask for a reason or offer a discount to stay, then confirm a cancellation. You still have access to the feature that you have prepared for until the current billing period ends. On mobile app, the Ancestry app doesn't let you cancel directly if you have subscribed through, but from the Apple App Store in iPhone, you can go to the Apple ID and subscription and cancel from there. But in Android, go to the Google Play Store and click your profile. Here, go to the payment and subscription. Go to the subscription. From here, you can cancel the subscription of the Ancestry application. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled the membership of the Ancestry. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.